Hello guys and girls from YouTube. In this video tutorial we are going to see the easiest and fastest way to remove a background from an image. This helps us in case we don't want the background to be seen or we want to put another background, any background color. And we are going to do it with artificial intelligence. We will use this web page that I am going to leave it to you in the description. As you already know, we have made a couple or 3 more video tutorials with this page. You already know that it has many tools, such as background remover, painter, black and white photos that we have improved the quality of some video too. So today it's time to remove the background, and as you can see, you enter here, you register, you go here to upload an image, you look for your image, on your computer, the open, and as you can see my image is this. This is the one on the left, the one that says original, and this is the result. As you can see, the time it would take with any image editing program to crop and everything would have been quite large, and as you can see it leaves us the boy in this case quite well trimmed. Later we will only have to change the background. As you can see here, we could blur it, put colors too. He would directly put a background that he recommends. As you can see there are some. This would look good. It may be that we should make it smaller, but hey. We also go here and it gives us 2 download options. In this case we have free download and low resolution and download in HD. In this case I'm just going to do it for free. I'm going to put it in PNG, and that's fine for me. And download, as you can see, we have here the image without the background with the boy well cropped. So if you liked the video and you want more videos of tools with artificial intelligence, leave it to me in the comments and I will upload more. So if you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, activate the bell, which is very important, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Subscribe to the channel.